Sarah, do you remember how we first became friends? It feels like ages ago.
Yes, Aisha, I do. It was back in our school days when we were both new students in the same class. I remember feeling a bit nervous, but you approached me with so warm kindness.
Oh, that was nothing. You looked a bit lost, and I thought, why not make a new friend? And from that moment, our friendship began to blossom.
It's true, over the years, our friendship has grown stronger, and we've shared so many memorable moments together. Through ups and downs, we've always been there for each other.
I remember all those late-night chats, where we would pour our hearts out, sharing our dreams, fears, and aspirations. It was like having a constant support system.
Yes, and what I appreciate the most is the trust we have in each other. We can be completely honest and open without fear of judgment. Our friendship has created a safe space for us to be ourselves.
That's one of the many reasons why I cherish our bond, Sarah. We've celebrated each other's successes, comforted each other during tough times, and offered a shoulder to lean on.
And let's not forget the laughter and joy we've shared. Our inside jokes, silly adventures, and spontaneous outings have filled our lives with happiness and unforgettable memories.
Oh, the mischief we've gotten into together. Those misadventures have become some of our favorite stories to reminisce about.
Friendship is a beautiful gift, Aisha. It's a bond that adds meaning and richness to our lives. It's a connection that grows deeper with time, nourished by love, understanding, and acceptance.
I couldn't agree more, Sarah. Our friendship has taught me the value of companionship, loyalty, and empathy. It has shown me that true friends are treasures that make life's journey worthwhile.
Friendship is indeed a treasure, Aisha. I'm grateful to have you as my friend. Our story of friendship continues to unfold, and I look forward to the many chapters we have yet to write together.
Likewise, Sarah. Let's keep adding more beautiful moments to our friendship and create a story that inspires others to cherish the bonds they have.
Nice to meet you, love you, smiley mit Herzen als Augen.
Same here, me